Hey, what's up, guys? Hope you guys having a good day. And today I brought the daily. I was doing I cleaned it and polished, and I did some ceramic coating on it. See, looks like it came out pretty good. I just did it on this one to test it out, because I'm planning on doing my truck, but I don't want to pay. See, as you can see, it looks pretty good right now. So I'm gonna give it a few days, couple weeks, test it out, and if everything works out, I'm gonna do the truck. I'm gonna get the truck done, and I'll probably make a video of the process. Today I didn't even think about it, I just did it, and I just didn't think about making a video or anything. Yeah, but the whole thing looks pretty good, nice and shiny. Hopefully it holds up like it says it is. Let me show you. So this is what I bought. It's an armor shield, nano ceramic coating. It just comes in this little bottle. See, it just comes like that. Has a sticker and then some gloves. See, and then it comes in this little bottle. And it comes with a couple little rags and a little sponge so you can put it on. Just pretty much scrape it like this. And it comes with a microfiber so you can just wipe it off once. Let it sit and dry for a few minutes. So yeah, hopefully that works out. And if it works good, I'll get the truck done, like I said. Yeah, I'll show you guys the process. Yeah. And sorry about not having no videos about the Ford lately, but I haven't really had nothing to do on it. So please like my videos and subscribe if you like to, and you guys have a good one.